12 V100 amp-hour phosphate battery replaces the original 12 V60 amp-hour Porsche Cayenne E3 battery. Fit for Porsche, Lamborghini, Bentley. Free of programming, fully compatible with the original car system, using mini OBD, no manual setup. Quickly install the battery within 10 minutes. The battery side has the same communication port as the original car battery. 1-to-1 perfect replacement. Effectively improve the original 60 amp-hour capacity insufficiency. Easy to shut off problem. Improve the replaced AGM modified battery problem due to voltage difference, resulting in frequent startup when waiting for traffic lights. Installation steps. Step 1. Connect and tighten battery positive and negative poles. Step 2. Plug in communication socket. Step 3. Plug in mini OBD device to car OBD socket. Check dashboard readings. Start engine. Perfect installation. Startup. Maintain the function of the original phosphate battery and maintain the acceleration horsepower oil-saving performance of the original car.